Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We're going to talk about the MT4 mobile app. We focus here on getting you right into the application and trading right away. This is our trading method, hands-on. So let's get to it. MT4 platform and application is the most used, the most widely used in the world. So the first thing you have to do is go into your app store and you're going to type in MT4. You're going to download the MetaTrader Floor platform. I have already downloaded. Once you download it, you have the open button. Once you open the platform, you'll see this screen here. You already be connected to the MetaTrader platform demo account. So let's get to it. At the bottom here, you're going to have codes, charts, trade, history, and settings. I'm going to go directly on the bottom right. It's settings. All you need to know to get started is the new account. So you're going to click on new account. You can open a new account. You can log into existing account. You want to try open a demo account. So if you're looking for brokers, or if you already know brokers, if you're in the US, top brokers are forex.com, IG, Oanda. So we're going to try the forex.com. So you can click on that, and then all you need to do to get a demo account is just fill in the page that you see here: name, phone number, email, account, leverage, deposit. Fill in that, click on the register button, and you are right into it. I have an IG account over here, and I'm going to log in directly into that. So if you click the back button, I'm back at the settings page. Now you can see the settings, demo, new account, and I'm going to log in. If you click on the top here, you can see the existing account. I'm logged into a demo account, IG. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. I'm clicking at the bottom here, codes, charts, trade, history, and settings. So the first thing you see here is the codes. I have already pre-selected this instruments: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, gold, oil, and then some Forex pairs. So if we're going to go with crypto, let's look into Ethereum. So if you just click on the symbol Ethereum, ETHUSD, you're going to see this pop-up that shows trade chart details. If you click on chart, you see a chart. If you put your fingers like you're zooming in on a photo, this is how you scroll or zoom in or zoom out of the chart. What you see here is a chart of the Ethereum versus the US dollar. If you just tap in on the chart, you're going to see this pop-up: trade, indicators, objects, and settings. So I want you to click on settings. The first thing you're going to see is a very black or green. The charts that MT4 gives you by default is not so clear. So you can copy my settings over here. I have candlesticks. And then at the bottom here, you click on colors. So this is the color that you see right now. You can pause the video and look at my colors, so you see the charts exactly like my chart. All right, going back to the chart, I want you to get you right in. I want you to dive in the pool and start swimming, start practicing. That is our method. So if you go ahead and click on codes, you have all just different codes. And I'm gonna click on Ethereum, the second from top to bottom. You have trade, charts, and details. So we can go ahead and click on the chart so you can kind of see the chart where it is right now. But before we start trading, which is a demo account, nothing on your money. On the top, let's look at it. Top left, if you click on it, you have the time frame. MT4 provides you with a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. I have selected on the 4 hour. This is a 4 hour candlestick chart. What does that mean? That means that each bar that you see on the chart represents 4 hours of buying and selling. If you change, you can change it to 30 minutes, or you can change to whatever you want. Don't focus much on this right now. The next video, we're going to be talking about candlesticks, what they are, what they represent, and what charts are. Okay, from top left to right. The second one and the first one we saw was the time frame. The second one is the cross. Click on the cross. You can see that there's a cross in here that you can kind of move around, and you can see price, and you can see what time it is at the bottom. The next one is a little F for some functions, some functionalities here that you can add indicators. So right now, on the main window, click on the main window, and then you have different studies. These are called studies or indicators, technical indicators. Some popular ones like the MACD. Let's click on the MACD, MACD, and let's just leave the default. Click on the top, done, and then you look at the chart. You have a study on the chart. There is a technical indicator on the chart. If you don't know about technical indicators, don't worry about it. We'll get to talk about on the next videos, or you can Google it and research about technical indicators that help you make decisions or predictions where price may go in the future. All right, this is enough for this. We have a chart. This is the Ethereum versus US dollar. We want you to get you right going. On the very top, on the right side, you click on trade. Look at the trade. This is the instant execution for a trade right now. At the top, it shows instant execution. So that means if you buy right now, which I'm going to click on it right now, it's a demo account. You have a buy of Ethereum versus US dollar. So I have a purchase. If you go at the bottom, we have quotes, chart, trade, history, and settings. You click on trade. So you see the trade that is going on right now. You see your balance. This is a demo account, so you don't worry about any risking any of your money. So Ethereum versus US dollar. So if you just swipe to the left, see here, swipe to the left, you're going to have some options over here. There's a checkbox, there is a pencil, there's a cross, and there's a little chart symbol over there. So if I click on the checkbox, this gives me the opportunity to close the position. So go ahead and close the position. Now the position has been closed. I want you to get in and out. This is hands-on practice, hands-on training. Again, I'm clicking at the quotes at the very bottom. Now you have the list of the symbols. Ethereum versus US dollar. I just click on the ETHUSD. The pop-up comes up. I'm looking at the chart. Here's the chart again. If I click on the top right, trade. Now let's talk about what these are. Instant execution, the very top. You have instant execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Don't worry about what these are right now. You want to get in the water and start swimming and start practicing. This is what we're talking about right here. You will need to know about limit orders, stop orders. These are very important. But right now, leave it instant execution. What does that do to you? How about the next options over here? -0.1, -0.001. So these are how you buy in terms of Forex, in terms of the metatrader platform. These are called pips or ticks or points. This is how much you risk. Don't worry about this right now. The next videos we'll talk about your risk management, how much you can risk, how much you should use for each of these settings. There's also stop loss and take profits. So you can click on the boxes empty or the plus signs on the right side. See if I click on the plus signs on the stop loss, you can see that it's going from 30 to 31 to 32. So, or you can click on the box and then you can type in whatever number you want, or you can delete and don't have that right now. So let's click on buy. You want to practice buying and selling. You have enter a position. You see right there, there's a buy order right there. See buy 01. This is your entry price. This is where you bought right now. Again, let's go to the bottom. Quotes, chart, trade. If you look at the trade, this is your open position. This is how and what you have going on right now. How much are you making, how much are you losing? And I want you to start practicing. Click on the close position. Okay, my position has been closed. Let's talk about the quotes in the top here. So you have a little pencil. If you click on the pencil, you can add or delete things from your main default window. If you want to add, you're gonna go ahead. So there's the advanced button that gives you some spreads. Spread is how the brokers make money. There's a difference between when you buy and when you sell instruments. The brokers don't charge you a commission, but this is how they make money. They charge you a little more to buy, they charge you a little less when you're trying to sell, and vice versa. Well, let's keep it on the simple. I click on the simple at the very top, so you just see the symbol and the price that they are trading on. On the very top, on the right side, there is the plus button. This is how you add instruments to your default. See, there's all this different symbols. You click on the plus sign on the left to the symbol, and you can see it disappears. So if you go back to your main window, you can see that you get some symbols right here at the bottom here. You see BTC USD, I just got this one added. AUD JPY, I just got this one added. So guys, this is it for MT4 platform. This is a very rapid tutorial on the MT platform and the mobile app. I want you to start practicing. I want you to get in the charts, practice. This is your homework. Start looking into it, start learning a little more, push the buy button, try it out, look into the trades at the bottom over here, swipe to the left, look and play with the symbols over here, close the position, practice. Practice makes perfection. All right, guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you next video where we're going to talk about charts, candlesticks, and what they are. Thank you.